Hello, my name is Rice, and today is move-in day. I'm only mildly confused. Not to worry, though, I began tending to my regular business when I heard a big truck coming down the street. Usually when new individuals enter my home, I play the role of supervisor, but today, for reasons unknown, I was exiled to the bedroom. And when I emerged, everything had vanished. Everything, including my stuff. I'm not sure what caused this nonsensical behavior, but it seems as though my valuables, my treasured things, are no longer cherished. Mother, where are my stuff? She did not answer me, she just danced. My rage was palpable, as evidenced by this man who swiftly moved out of my way as I surveyed the remnants of my kingdom. But then it was time to travel, and I think I understand what is going on here. We have returned to the home we visited previously, except this time it is not barren. It is filled with very familiar things, and I do remember these stairs, and I have conquered them. I did find my bathroom quarters. Please, privacy. I dilly-dallied a bit in my ball pit, surrounded by many a box. I don't know who plans to unpack all these things, but you must do it quickly. I will supervise. Good luck.